Welcome to OFAR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the Utespelare Gaming Desk from IKEA. For this build, you'll only need 2 Allen keys that IKEA provides you with. So the first step is to grab these 4 legs and 4 of these adjustable feet. The 4 feet will be going into these 4 holes. It'll look something like this. Then grab these 2 pieces and put them into this orientation. Just make sure that the numbers are facing up and slide the 4 legs on like this. Also make sure that the legs that you're sliding in are all at the same level. Now grab 8 rods and 8 of these metal caps, then screw the caps on like this. Do this for all the 8 rods. Next, grab the 8 rods and caps you just put together, 2 Allen keys, and 8 more metal caps. So the next step is to put the caps and bolts you just assembled into the top holes and the other 8 caps into the bottom holes to secure the legs in place. To secure everything together, hold the metal cap with 1 Allen key on the bottom, and then screw the rod and the metal cap with the other Allen key on top. Then grab this metal piece that doesn't have any holes in the middle of it, and 2 of these longer screws. Now this metal piece will be inserted into these 2 spots. It's going to look something like this. Then grab one of the longer screws and screw it into the hole. Just make sure you don't screw it all the way in. Then do the same thing to the right side. Now grab 2 metal pieces that look like this and put them into this orientation. The piece that's going in the front will have these holes aligned in the middle. The piece that's going in the back will have the location of the holes in this orientation. Also grab 4 long screws. Next, grab the metal piece that's going into the back of the desk and insert it like this. Then grab a long screw and secure each end. With this metal piece, you'll secure the screws all the way in. Now grab the front piece and insert it like this, then secure each side using 1 screw. Again, you should have both screws fully secured. Then go back to the screws that weren't fully secured and screw them all the way in. Now grab both pieces that are related to the top of the desk and put them into this orientation. You can also turn the top of the desk 180 degrees so this indent is on this side. I prefer a flat edge, so I put the top of the desk in this orientation. Now turn the bottom of the desk 180 degrees and flip the desk over like this. So to make sure that you put it in the right way, this back metal piece should be facing the same way as the mesh top. Then grab 14 of these screws and screw them into these 14 holes. Now grab 10 of these hooks and 10 small screws. The hooks will be secured into these 10 holes. It's going to look something like this. With this step, just make sure that the hooks are facing outwards. The end product should look something like this. Now flip the desk over like this. The next step is to play around with the adjustable feet so you can make your desk level if it isn't so already. Next, grab the meshing and put it in this orientation. The elastics along the edge should be facing up. Then simply hook the meshing on like this. You should now have a fully assembled Utespelare Gaming Desk from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.